um, 9-19A from the book, which says that sum of the external forces on the rocket will be equal to mass times acceleration, dv dt, minus relative velocity times rate of change of mass. And so relative velocity is exhaust velocity, and the external force, net external force, is just 0 minus the force of gravity, so minus mg, and that's equal to ma, dv dt is just acceleration, minus vx, that's the exhaust velocity, times dm dt. Therefore, exhaust velocity vx is just negative m times a plus g, acceleration plus acceleration due to gravity, over dm dt over dt. And so this gives us minus m, which is minus 3,500 kilograms, times a plus g. This is a is 3g, so 3 plus 1 is 4g, 4 times 9.8 meters per second squared, over negative 27 kilograms per second, because you're losing 27 kilograms every second. And so you work that out, the kilograms cancel, one of the seconds cancel, and what you're left with is a unit in meters per second, and the answer is 5,100 meters per second is the exhaust velocity. And one crucial step I forgot here is that exhaust velocity will be there'll be a positive here, because exhaust velocity is acting in the opposite direction. So anyway, that's the answer.